back to the Poshlab, guys. This week we're working on a very exciting project. We're working on an 03 BMW Z8. It is not our first Z8 we fully protected. 3 years ago, almost to the day, we fully protected our very first one. So we are a little bit familiar with it. They are a very rare car and they're absolutely beautiful. It's a different car when you initially see it, but it definitely grows on you. It looks so good, especially with the top down. But what it's here for, we're gonna do a full paint correction followed by full XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film, followed by a slick layer of Kamikaze coatings. This car did spend most of its life down in the States, so now it's back up in Canada. There is a bunch of love marks all over the car. It must have been covered in a tarp. You can see these repetitive straight lines that looks like straps. So what we're gonna start with is doing a full paint correction, and then we're gonna head on to the paint protection film.
All right guys, so now that Eric's done polishing this whole car, we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it. This one's gonna be a little bit different though because we don't have access to any pre-cut patterns for it as it's too old of a vehicle for that. So we're actually gonna have to go ahead and freehand this whole thing. We're no stranger to that though. We did one of these almost 3 years ago to the day. Super cool.
Moving on to the next stage, we're gonna pull the wheels off and hand polish these beautiful chrome finish wheels. guys, we're moving on to the final stage, which is the coating stage. So now that the full paintwork surface is protected in XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film, we're gonna add an additional layer, which is the Kamikaze coating. This leaves a deep gloss and slick finish, makes it easier for the owner to wash for the next couple of years, but it looks so good. So while it's still up in the air, we're gonna do that, install the wheels, drop it, take some final shots. And that's it for the Z8.
This thing looks absolutely incredible.
It looks so good. 12,000 original kilometers.
That blows my mind. This thing's absolutely immaculate, and now it's protected for years to come.
Yeah, the owner came and stopped by. He's blown away. He's so happy with the project. So we're super happy to be a part of the process. And if you guys are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you want to see something different on the channel, comment below. Because we're always looking for different ways to get creative. And if you guys want to see something different from our vlogs, let us know, because it'd be helpful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Well, let's take a final look, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.